know if my camera's gonna work in this mess. Brother, I think this is a brute. Wow. It's a good fish for sure. Oh yeah. I think this is a nice fish, man. I hope this was recording good. I do, I seriously do. I hate to do this, but I like to make sure I'm getting this on film when this fish is this big. Yeah. Okay. Ah. Never mind. Nice walleye, but I got him hooked in a fin. Oh, that felt like a bruiser, man. I ripped my camera for that. This is absolutely pouring on me. Goodbye, walleye. Okay. Well, welcome to King Kippawa Adventure Tours. Anytime you want a book, you just call Wayne and Barb. Of course, you want to come when the weather's nice like this. That's when the walleye bite, obviously. And yeah, we're catching them, and it's pouring, and I'm not quitting. So I'll see you when I see you. Peace.